welcome. There's a Bentley and bits over there. Oh, the boys.
Secretly film it.
GT paddock. Welcome to part 1 of the vlog. The anticipated vlog.
We're back.
We're back. He's back. He's back from the gym. And we're here. We're going for a track walk. But first we just thought we'd display the beautiful surroundings of Silverstone. Lovely. Lovely.
Easy.
Looking forward to the weekend. Are we looking forward to the weekend?
Of course.
Of course we are.
That's the wrong song.
Oh no!
You know what happened with the deep coffee?
Oh.
Bit rude,
Well, authorised personnel, aren't we? That's us. GT5
yeah,
legend.
this is his grid spot right here.
Yeah. It's actually the front of the grid.
We go past this on the grid, which is ridiculous.
You're right. Lovely people at Silverstone. We're on.
Here we are on the Mighty Stone.
Right.
And he's already running, I hate that guy.
He's a nice guy. Didn't know him, but he said hello, so what a lovely chap. So, I'm just going to set it up just so we can do a little piece to camera.
Go! And take a walk in my shoes. Never worry about a thing. Got the world on a string, 'cause I've got the cure for all of my blues.
This is me after qualifying, if I put it on pause.
I take a look at my enormous penis, and my troubles start melting away. I take a look at my enormous penis. Take a look
What
at
were you
my
searching?
Welcome to Silverstone, everyone. It's pretty crazy.
That's bad.
Oh look, it's my grid position, P1. P1 all the time. Right, right. Thanks. Hello. Welcome to part 2 of the vlog. Hiya, mate.
Not happy,
Don't look at a number plate, because I'm not throwing it out, so just don't look at it. Yeah, good practice today, all the time, pushing all the time. And tomorrow quali's at 3:05. So yeah, decent. Alright, we're in a tuxedo, snazzy boy. Cyril. Right. We're gonna run the rest. And then I shall catch you. They're all wearing bloody ties.
No, I want to go where they're going.
Yeah. Sweet. Sweet. The boys are back. We're back from our run. It was a good run. I'm not as fat as I was before. And now I'm going to put all the weight back on in lasagna and garlic bread. So just going down the pit lane now. Not a lot to see, not a lot to do. Maybe one day. Just not this weekend. Lol. It's not meant to be like that. There you go. I'm gonna be sneaking when I film it. The boys.
Slopes Jack.
So big thanks to Aberrol Centre Racing. But we all know that the rule of thumb, turn the tap on.
Oh mate, why didn't he turn the tap on? Johnny Adam. My God, legend. Le Mans winner. Down the inside of the corner. Last one. Boys.
Welcome.
Shit, you're filming.
Welcome in your face.
Fuck it out.
Do not swear.
Sorry.
There's little kids watch this.
Yeah.
Like Gemma.
Oh.
Just looking for my talent. Is my talent in there? No. Okay, cool. My talent's not in there. It's alright, I can keep that one in. Again. Gonna keep it down. But I'll get up again. Yeah, we're gonna keep it down. That's a story about Stanley's boost pressure. You're never going to keep me down. Ginetta Paddock, there's not really a lot going on centrally. Race car consultant, whoever they are, Merlin, the boys, the lads. HSC, just a hive of activity. It's all going on.
Welcome. It's Saturday at Silverstone. Quality day. And we still got 3 hours of quality.
Defrosting some meat, which is cool. It's just an average weekend, really. There you go. The usual, except we've added a boost button this weekend. We figured we're going to need it. So we've added a boost button. Apart from that, same old shit. We're recording now. The boys are back. It's pretty sick, isn't it? It's amazing. Trying to vlog for the fans. All 4 people that like this vlog love it.
We're all here.
Exactly. The boys.
Go on, Luby!
Oh.
I mean, wow.
Oh yeah, this one.
Ah. I'm videoing you.
Oh, the tables are
Yeah.
turned.
Well done, Sean Burton, in second place.
Right.
And we'll carry on with presentations here.
Doing vlogs. Look who it is.
Troy Red, she made it! So zoom in on the face.
I haven't.
So you are.
I haven't.
Ben's
I
welcome.
promise you I haven't. I promise you you're not zoomed in. It's a completely
Don't
natural
trust
angle. See? Zoomed out.
Oh, I zoomed in.
Exactly, completely zoomed out. See? Look at that.
Oh, he's got the GoPro back.
How are you?
Yeah, not so bad. I was racing one.
It's good. It's good. It's nice to have done a race without having a crash. It wasn't a massive crash, to be fair. Spicy. Spicy.
Where do you want to put it?
I don't know, I've never even seen that flag before.
Yes, you have.
Oh?
Yeah. Shannon? Yeah. Where am I putting it? Maybe we put it up there. No, because then it's just gonna.
I want to change segment quite nicely.
Yeah.
So, when we tested the Silverstone, Ben came out in the car. You're about to see that footage.
Oh, glorious.
Just done race 2. The car wasn't fantastic. The pace we had in race 1 was fucking nowhere. Made a mistake. Got to film the gravel.
There you go, yeah, he is.
Balustrade. Yep, good.
That's it. That was one corner.
No, it wasn't. Alice has pulled out something else. No,
I've already dumped that over there.
Oh, yeah.
Not quite enough for a beach, but
Well, a little beach.
the good news is I've got more wang. Look at that. Is that a good angle? Look at that.
I don't know.
Madness.
Think about your angles.
Your angles.
My angles.
Low angles.
Come on, we've done a lot. We've done a lot. They're my good angles.
Minutes, obviously got wheel drive.
Can you put that song in the background?
And provide a very good.
Yeah.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding